Hey everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we got a set of Forgiatos that just arrived, and let's open them up and see what they're cooking.
Damn, I need a drink, I need a think, I need a plan, I'm on the brink, I need a chain, I need a mink.
So as you can see, we got a custom set of Forgiato wheels here. These bad boys are two-tone. It's a pearl white with a gloss black finish. And if you look at the wall behind us, a customer kind of came in and said, I want what I see on the wall. And we gave him what he saw on the wall. Let me pick this up and let's get some close-ups.
I feel like nobody knows me. I'll say it once, so please listen closely. I felt like I was lost, but now I'm cozy. I'm trying to cop me a trophy. This is the life that I asked for. Rapped about it on the last 4. I've been thinking about the past less, and I've been focused on the cash more.
This particular model here is the Forgiato Concavo-M. The M stands for Monoblock, which means one-piece forging. Can't wait. These are going on a C63 Benz 4-door sedan. We've even gone with the full white interior barrel. Color match pearl white. I'm not sure if the camera catches that, but it's even fully painted on the back side. Forgiato quality, always next level, always headache free. Gotta love these guys. Shout out to Forgiato.